To avoid road mishaps, drive with adequate illumination at night, during rainfall, snowfall, or fog. With the correct lighting, you can prevent other vehicles, animals, potholes, people, etc. These obstructions may cause accidents, damage your expensive car, and increase maintenance costs. But you can avoid all these if you invest in the best Jeep light bar. Many brands are competing in the market right now. Sometimes it can be confusing to get the best one. That's why I have taken my time to compile these best Jeep light bar reviews for your perusal. Let's check them out. Number 1. YITAMOTOR 52-inch Jeep light bar. When it comes to high-performing light bars, this 52 inches YITAMOTOR bar's got your back always. This brand has every essential feature you can think to find a Jeep light bar. It can serve in every kind of situation or weather condition, given that it offers both the flood and spot beam functionalities. Highlighted features. Comes with wiring harness and mounting brackets. Offers dual row 27,000 lumens white light. Provides 50,000 hours usage capacity. 30-degree powerful spot beam for lighting. 60-degree bright flood beam capacity. The IP67 rating of resistance against dust and water. Number 2. Rough Country 30 inches LED light bar 70730BL. If you're looking for something potable yet effective, this Jeep light bar is your best bet. It comes with the IP67 resistance rating that proves its capacity to withstand the onslaught of dust, water, dirt, moisture, condensation, etc. Highlighted features. IP67 waterproof ratings ensure resistance to elements. Offers 12,000 lumens white light for off-road driving. 150 wattage to improve illumination. Ergonomic sleek design to suit many vehicles. Offer a flat wound harness featuring an on or off switch. Features a moisture breather tech to reduce build-up. Number 3. Rough Country 50 inches dual Cree LED light bar 70950BL. This is another considerable product from Rough Country to enjoy an excellent experience behind the wheels at all times. This LED light bar can withstand the attacks of elements, no matter how continuous they attack. It has the IP67 waterproof rating, proving that it can last long even after exposure to dust, moisture, dirt, etc. Highlighted features. 23,040 powerful lumens ensures bright light. Aluminum housing ensures durability. Moisture breather tech prevents a build-up. Wiring harness offers an on or off switch. Multiple mounting options promotes versatility. Noise silencers eliminate irritating sounds. Number 4. Keen Axis. 52 inches curved LED light bars. If you're looking for a light bar to use on different cars, check this brand out. It suits a wide range of vehicles, including Ford, SUVs, Chevrolet, Dodge, ATVs, trucks, Polaris, Honda, Jeep, Nissan, etc. So, once you need a high-performing light bar in the industry for your car, try this brand. Highlighted features. 52 inches light bar at 300 wattage of power. 22 inches bar using 120 watts. Wiring harness to simplify usage. IP67 rating to ensure maximum resistance against elements. Aluminum housing to ensure durability. 50,000 hours of light bar usage. Number 5. T-Former 52 inches LED combo road driving light and light bar. This is a product that offers more than the worth of your investment. In one single purchase, you'll be going home with a 52 inches LED bar working with 300 wattage of power. Highlighted features. 52 inches LED light bar for sharp illumination. 20 inches light bar plus 4 pieces of work lights. Stainless steel set of brackets. IP67 waterproof rating to prove resistance capacity. 50,000 hours of usage to ensure longevity. Flood and spot beam capacity. Some drivers may underestimate the importance of a well-lit road, but if you are driving during the night a lot, you know how challenging it can be. That is why these days May providers offer quality light bars to equip your vehicle with. I hope the video helps you to find the best light bar for your vehicle. Also, don't forget to share the video if you like it. Thanks for watching.